What's going on, you guys? Welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to be going to probably AutoZone, I think, or Advanced Auto. I don't know which one it is, but I'm going to be going to see if I can get some of the tire pin that I was talking about in yesterday's video. And I might do a little how-to tutorial on that, maybe. I don't know. They probably ain't going to have it, honestly. I'm hoping they do, but if not, I'll have to order some off of Amazon. And yeah, let's get into it. Guys are having a great day. Sorry about the last video. I need to get me another battery for my GoPro. I haven't got around to it. I didn't know it was gonna only be like a 30-minute recording time on that, but I'll definitely have to look into getting another battery. Like I said, we're on the way to AutoZone right now. Gonna pick up some tire pins, hopefully, if they have them. Honestly, I don't even know how this is gonna look on this car. I know it looks good on like Challengers or Chargers, stuff like that. But I don't really know how I feel about on this car. I looked up some Google images. I kind of have mixed feelings about it, but we're gonna try it anyways. And back to that Zl1 or Hellcat topic. I was looking yesterday and I found a bunch of Zl1s that I really liked for my price range. So that's the way that I'm leaning, but still not decided. And I was even thinking about like a C8 Corvette. Like I know that's obviously more in price, but whenever they come out with the Z06, then the price is going to drop for the base model C8 Corvette. So it'd be a little bit longer of a wait if I decided I wanted the C8 instead. Because whatever car I get, I'm going to want to keep. You know, I feel like this is going to be one of those cars that I'll have around, want to keep in my garage. You know, you guys will have to let me know what's some other simple mods that you want to see done to this car. Because with all this free time, I can basically do a whole lot of how-tos or something like that if you guys want to see any, or give me some ideas. I'm going to be probably sitting down sometime this week and coming up with a bunch of series I want to do for this channel. Like I said, for the first few months, it's not going to be anything that we can really do as far as car meets and stuff like that. So I'm hoping that I can come up with some good ideas that are not something that you would see on other channels. Tell you what, this pollen is killing my car too. I just washed the car like 2 days ago and there's already pollen all back over it again. So I mean, it's gonna be a rough summer. I am glad that it's a whole lot cooler today. It's only about, let's say, 55 degrees, I think. 57 is what it says. So definitely yesterday was a whole lot warmer. It was like 84, I want to say. I think it was 84. But it was really hot yesterday because the sun was out. It's cloudy, 57 today. It's a nice day. So I know in yesterday's video where we left off was I was going to go get some gas, but when I got to the gas station, there was like 3 cars at every pump waiting to get gas. So I just said, forget that. I went home, so I'm going to have to get some gas today for sure, down below a quarter of a tank. So time to fill up. It's the only thing I got to keep me entertained during this quarantine. I don't know what I'm going to do for this video if they don't have any tire pins, man. You guys have to let me know what y'all think of this camera angle as well. I was thinking about doing like a point of view camera angle, where I have like the headband on. So I don't, you guys will have to just let me know what you think about that. I mean, I like it like this just because I don't have to worry about anything feeling heavy on me or anything like that. But if you guys want to see a point of view driving, then I can make that happen. Well, I'm going to go run in here right fast and get this. Alright guys, bad news. No tire pins, no tire paint, whatever it is. I don't know what it's called, but they didn't have any AutoZone, so. And I'm gonna have to run home anyways because I forgot my wallet, so can't even get no gas yet. So I'm probably just gonna have to order those tire pins, get them off of Amazon. They won't be here for quite a while is what it's saying. It's saying like next month, but I think that's to do with this whole COVID-19 thing. I think they're like slowing down on shipments from Japan and stuff like that. Man, I feel like any other time AutoZone would have anything in this world to color your tires in with. But now that I'm looking for it, it's like they don't have anything. Do a nice little 40 to 60 pull here in a second. There's posting every day, you know, keep uploading content, and keep the channel active. That's the main thing. You know, you start doing something on a day-to-day basis, it'll become second nature to you. So I'm a firm believer in that. So I'm just trying to practice, you know, all my editing, get all that stuff down, trying to figure out what's going to work best, trying to figure out the audio, all that. That's mainly what this stuff is. So I'm sorry if it's really boring for you guys, but in the future it's going to make a huge difference in this channel. So just hang in there. And that's probably going to end it for today. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please leave a like, comment, subscribe, and I should be posting another video sometime this week, hopefully I'm going to come up with some kind of content to do. So yeah guys, hope you have a good one. Peace out.